The MOULD King 1349 Super Sports Car Building Kit is a fantastic choice for enthusiasts looking to recreate a classic sports car with its impressive 1,349 pieces. This set features a 1:14 scale model complete with a classic rear wing, scissor doors, and a simulation engine, offering a highly detailed experience for supercar fans. Constructed from high-quality, child-friendly ABS materials, the kit is designed to be safe, odorless, and smooth, ensuring a worry-free assembly process. As a collectible item, the MOULD King Super Sports car model is perfect for adults who enjoy building and displaying intricate models and makes an excellent gift for car lovers. The building set is not only a fun project, but also an educational STEM tool, encouraging creativity and problem-solving skills in children. Whether it is for a special occasion or a casual weekend project, this kit provides endless hours of entertainment and learning for both kids and adults.